So yeah, what's been your biggest purchase so far?
Oh man, I bought myself a big house.
A big house, y'all hear that? Everybody take yourselves off of mute and give her a whoop whoop.
Ooh.
Woo. She said she bought a big house. A big old house.
A
You in
big
that
house.
big old house right now, working from home?
Yeah, I work from home, and that's the best part of it. I work from home. I can work in pajamas. You know, it's just a good life for sure.
That's what the name of the event is.
Yeah, maybe I can share a screen of my house so I can inspire somebody. I don't know. Let me
Yeah,
see.
absolutely. Look, we all for that. If you want to show it, it's all
Okay.
good. Look, guys, you cannot make this up, okay? You can't make this stuff up. This is the real deal right here. She about to show us the actual house, okay? Y'all said, oh, Colaberry be bringing people back on and they telling lies and all of that. No, it's all true, 100%.
This is not a lie for sure.
So yeah, just a completely different lifestyle. Do you even remember what it's like to be broke anymore?
Oh yeah, like living from paycheck to paycheck. Living from paycheck to paycheck, and sometimes like asking for money from my friends. I'm like, yeah, just give me money for gas to take me to work today. But now it's totally different because I'm the one like sharing, helping people. I'm like, oh my God, is this how it feels?
So do you still talk to those friends that quit?
Yeah. I mean, like when I bought the house, I had a big housewarming. So everybody came around and we were trying like to have this conversation, like, working hard and, just pursue your goals. If you have a chance, you have someone who can mentor you, just go for it. And I was like, you know what? I'm so grateful to Ali. I don't even know where you get that mentality, like, of what you do. It's really, it's just amazing.
Awesome. So
Yeah.
are you ready to show yet, or are we still? Oh, what? Oh,
I'm here to be inspired.
You got 3 garages. Are you kidding me?
Can you see it now?
Amazing.
Yes. What you doing with 3 garages?
Yeah, that's for my son, for me.
And a visitor, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, because we live in Texas where there's
awesome.
hell. So we need all those garages, yeah?
Listen, caregivers can't afford houses like that. Ain't no caregiver buying no house like that.
I know there's some people with big houses way bigger than this. This is just a toy for me.
I'm sure everybody on this call would love to have a house like that. So it leaves something for us to look forward to.